How to remove your EBT card from Amazon. Need to remove your EBT card from Amazon? Follow these simple steps. First of all, let's access the desktop version of Amazon. Open your web browser and go to the Amazon website. If you are on a mobile device, request the desktop site by tapping the menu and selecting desktop site. Now let's find your payment settings. Log into your Amazon account and click on Accounts and Lists at the top right corner. Now select your payments from the drop-down menu to access your payment methods. Let's remove the EBT card. Scroll through your payment methods to find your EBT card. If it doesn't appear, try using a different browser or device. Click on the EBT card and select Remove or Delete to remove it from your account. And that's it. Your EBT card is now removed. Thanks for watching.